Hello guys, this is ThaxT2K and this is the latest Amiibo unboxing. I know it's been a while actually. Been about 2-3 months since the last Amiibo thing in the UK. But either way, this one's featuring this pink cute guy here, Kirby. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, it was good enough. But yeah, you don't get him, but obviously I've just put him there due to he's Kirby, don't mess. And before I do this, basically, I just want to do 2 shout outs. First one is thank you very much to the 77 subscribers, for following me, and subscribing. I've passed the 75 subscriber mark, which is absolutely fantastic. Next one is 100. I hope hopefully you keep with me while I keep doing these, and hopefully you are interested in still watching me. That went as soon as it hit, it's another big milestone in any YouTuber's life, and thank you very much. And another shout out to Jason Burrows, one of my regular watchers. I thought I'll give him a shout out. Thank you very much, man, for keeping the faith and support. Very much appreciated. And I'm guessing that you'll be watching this video, so I'll give you a shout out, matey. Thank you very much. And righty ho then, let's get underway. Kirby Planet Robobot for the 3DS. As you can see there, Kirby in a mech. You can't get any better than that. Obviously, standalone, it's the Amiibo and game. As you can see. But it looks like you can get different types of mechs. Surprisingly, knows how to operate them. So you get I got these from Nintendo Direct as well. You got the 3 Amiibos, Meta Knight, King Dedede, and Wadidi. Also, I received the awesome pin badge of Kirby in his mech. Some stickers, which, well, stickers are stickers, but they still look awesome. And I got a book as well, which I've literally not opened, so this will be a oh, it's a notepad. That's actually quite nice, actually. I thought it'd be like a arts book or something like that, but that's interesting. I have to play the game now, see if that involves anything. But without further ado, let's open these up and give him some air. There's the game. There's Kirby. Let's open the game up first, see if we get any exclusive stuff. There we go. Game, one cover, and your peripherals. I thought they would have done some stuff with my Nintendo with these hard cases. Well, hard copies. But it looks like they're not doing that, unfortunately. So, oh well. Put you there. Right, let's open Kirby. See his base. Because it's all about that base. No treble. Kirby's on a blue base. Star, blue base and stars. He's on his, warp star as always. I'm just getting the other Kirby out for a comparison. This one, this one's smaller, in size comparison, but obviously when you got a big whacking star, you can understand why. So, you can't go wrong with Kirby. Next we got is his nemesis and sometimes pal, King Dedede. Doing the, stop, carry on motion. Or talk to the hand, because the hammer ain't listening. Hey, I went there. Here we go, King Dedede with his massive hammer. Just getting his comparison out. Well, his Amiibo version. Well, Super Smash Bros. Version. Lighter. This one's a lighter blue. Actually, it looks like this is the HD version of him, and this is him in old style cartoon version. So his eyes are a bit more wider apart. Obviously more detail on the rim there, and these are just the basic white. So, and also two different logos on back. So interesting behind that one. That's the King Dededes. Now we're going to Meta Knight. Enemy stroke, friend as well, depending on how you look at it. I'll do the comparison with him next. Here we have Meta. Detailing, as he should be. He looks a lot better than I did, a lot better than the other version. He's got his cape, but he ain't got his wings out this time. But, we'll compare him with his counterparts, so it's fell. Nothing big. The Kirby version is down in the purple armor pads, armor plates, and this is more, the metal dark steel. So obviously, the hand guards are more basic than the Smash Bros version, and his sword's bigger on this one. So, but this one's got the cape, and this one he's got his wings out. So that's Meta Knight. And last and not least is Dedede, which most common, common basic enemy, but also sometimes he'll help Kirby out in some of the other games. And obviously it looks like he's just been fell to the ground with a oomph animation there, which is quite awesome. So, paint wise, you know, spot on. Like I said, in Meta Knight, you can see the, you know, the actual gold base. So, pretty nice. And obviously, you got that one again, which they seem to be overstock and sending everyone. So I don't mind. I can have a nice little, you know, glass prison of quite a few of them now. But either way, that's it for this review. Hopefully you liked it. Like I said, thank you to Jace and, you know, the 76 other fans, you know, out there, or subscribers, you know, for following me. Much appreciated. I've got the new, what you call them, Splatoon models coming my way soon. So hopefully when they get here, yeah, I'll get them reviewed again and do a comparison. So either way, this has been Thanks T2K, and this is Kirby, and he wants to say bye. Ta-da.